But another important development which is going to have a huge impact on the stocks in focus is the MSCI's November 2022 semi-annual index review that will be announced on the 10th of November. Now, Vivek is here to tell us more about what to expect. Now, Vivek, individual stocks will see a huge amount of fluctuation, volatility because of the inflows and outflows. So which are the inclusions and exclusions which are really expected?
Well, that's right. Now this particular index review of the MSCI is going to be important. So, quantitative analysts have actually started penciling in their expectations in terms of what exactly do they expect in terms of the stocks that will enter either the MSCI Standard Index, the larger one, the much more tracked one, the widely tracked one, and the one that generally has a larger impact in terms of the stock price movement, and also the MSCI Small Cap Index. So now what we have is we have the list of expectations from IIFL Alternative Research, and the list of stocks that are likely to make it depending on the stock price movement from now till November 10th is the list that we have and that we are looking at. So some of the stocks we are looking at is Tube Investments. This is a likely inclusion. $204 million is the kind of impact inflow that could come in. Indian Hotels, again, a high probability inclusion. $190 million inclusion or inflow is what we can see. Ashok Leyland, again, this particular stock has been an outperformer. Some amount of, market activity is already pricing in this inclusion. $163 million. TVS Motor, Schaeffler India, and Astral. These are the stocks that will make the move from the MSCI Small Cap Index to the MSCI Standard Index. Now, some of the stocks, individually that could come in and which aren't right now looking like, but what analysts are penciling in: Hindustan Aeronautics, ABB India, Varun Beverages, and Bajaj Holding. These are some of the stocks that could make the cut as far as the standard index is concerned. Exclusions are IGL and Biocon, which is what you could actually see in some amount of decent underperformance. In terms of the MSCI Small Cap Index, some of the likely inclusions, high impact names are the ones that we are looking at: Vedant Fashions, Metro Brands, Sansera Engineering, LG Equipment, Escorts Kubota, as well as Campus Activewear. And some of the some of the stocks that could be out of the small cap index are Spicejet, Gujarat Fluoro, and Kaveri Seeds.
All right, Vivek, thanks a lot for getting us that entire MSCI index review that we have semi-annually. But with that, we're going to get into a short break now. On the other side, the World Bank has cut India's GDP growth estimates for FY23 as well as FY24. So we get you more on that after this short break.